Revolutionize your teaching with the 4A's method. Are you tired of struggling to keep your students engaged and motivated? The 4A's lesson plan is the game changer you've been looking for. With this powerful framework, you'll transform your classroom into a dynamic learning environment where students actively participate, think critically, and apply their knowledge to real-world situations. Let's dive into the 4A's lesson plan and see how it can transform your teaching. Step 1. Activity. Start with a hands-on task that engages your students. For example, have them compare objects using adjectives. This sparks curiosity and connects new learning to their existing knowledge. Step 2. Analysis. Guide your students to process information and identify patterns. In our example, they might discover grammar rules through their comparisons. This phase is all about developing critical thinking skills. Step 3. Abstraction. Now reinforce the big ideas and connect them to real-life situations. This helps students internalize the lesson and see its relevance beyond the classroom. Step 4. Application. Finally, have your students use what they've learned in practical ways. They could write sentences using comparative adjectives or role-play scenarios. This phase brings learning to life and cements understanding. By following these steps, you'll create a dynamic, student-centered learning environment that fosters engagement, critical thinking, and real-world application. Give the 4A's method a try in your next lesson. While the 4A's method is powerful, there are some common pitfalls to watch out for. First, don't rush through the stages. Each step is crucial for deep learning. Second, avoid dominating the process. Remember, this is a student-centered approach. Guide your students, but let them do the heavy lifting in terms of thinking and applying. Lastly, don't skip the application phase. It's tempting to end at abstraction, but real learning happens when students apply their knowledge to new situations. To avoid these pitfalls, plan your lessons carefully, allowing ample time for each phase. Prepare thought-provoking questions to guide students without giving away answers, and always have practical, real-world applications ready for the final phase. Now that you've learned about the powerful 4A's method, it's time to put it into action in your classroom. Remember, this framework is designed to engage your students, foster critical thinking, and make learning more meaningful and practical. Start small by implementing the 4A's in one lesson, then gradually incorporate it into more of your teaching. You'll be amazed at the transformation in your classroom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences with the 4A's method in the comments below. Together, we can revolutionize education.